Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the daily quest about make latte with 2 star or above. To complete this quest, first you need to buy a coffee recipe from NPC Massimo. A coffee recipe like this, and then next just change the coffee ingredients to milk. Just change it to milk like this, and then just start cooking. And after that, you will unlock the latte recipe like this. You will get this recipe, and then after that, to make the latte has 2 star, at least 2 star, just add amazing seasoning when you cook it, and you can get this amazing seasoning by buy it from NPC Massimo too. But this amazing seasoning will unlock when you reach the cooking level at the level 6. So make sure you already reach the cooking hobby at level 6 like this. Amazing seasoning will make your dish at least has 2 star. And then next, just when everything is ready, just start to make the 2 star latte. Just choose the recipe, and then after that just checklist the amazing seasoning to add it to the recipe, and then after that just start cooking. Like this, and your daily quest will be automatically complete like this. Like this, and then next you just need to find Marion to confirm the quest, and the quest will be complete. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.